Do you see this natural glow? No filter, just 4 natural ingredients. Yes, you heard me right. 4 natural ingredients. No chemicals, nothing. So stop here before you spend your money on expensive creams. Let's do the thing together. My queens, let's start with my aloe vera. I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, okay? So aloe vera gel, most people know it is smooth, but for our morning mask, it is actually as a delivering center or delivering system for our skin or for our body, because it's hydrating your skin deeply so that the other ingredients can work better into your skin. So aloe vera, for using it in your morning routine, is very good. It's very powerful. So now, after aloe vera gel, my next ingredient that I'm adding is honey, right? I'm adding honey. So honey also, maybe you can use 1 tablespoon or half teaspoon or quarter teaspoon. You can decide that one, how all the ingredients, if you want it, how you want it to be. If, let's say for example, you don't have a refrigerator to store it inside the fridge, then you have to make it a little small amount. Just use it for a day, so that the next day when you are going to do, you make it again, because to use it or to make it is very easy to make it. So after my aloe vera and honey, my next ingredient that I added is turmeric. Turmeric, I added something like 1 teaspoon or half teaspoon that I added inside, because turmeric is having a long way to go. So a pinch of turmeric powder, it can be okay for your treatment. So why I added turmeric, and now the next ingredient that I'm adding is my lemon. Why I'm adding lemon, let's cross check the turmeric also. Turmeric, please, when you are adding it, do not afraid of the color of the turmeric, because turmeric is a powerful for anti-inflammatory that literally waking up dull skin and starting fading those stubborn dark spots that you have. Those stubborn dark spots, over time it's going to fade it. So after mix everything, before you apply this in, please always try to clean your face or to wash your face thoroughly before you apply your treatment to your face. Don't apply it while your face is in dirty, okay? Try to wash it. Even if possible, use your toner to clean your face before you use this treatment. So let's check and see honey. Honey, it is a natural humectant. It means that it's locking the moisture into your face, so you have that glassing skin looking all day long. So when you are adding honey, make sure that when you add the honey, you know the benefit of honey. Honey is going to add the moisture and make your face to look glassing. That is what we want. My people, those who follow me long, you may notice how, or how my face, how I came through. I did not use one day to get this skin, but I know with consistency your skin is going to change. So this thing, if you are going to use it, those who are patient and those who love natural hair, natural things, those people can only follow me, because whatever that I'm using in this channel is for natural things, and it's working. It's really working. And before I apply any treatment, I will always make sure to show it to you guys, and the ending also, you guys will see the result. I will show you the beginning and show you the result after applying it. So this, after you apply it, you have to allow your face, try to leave it to get cool before you go and wash it with the warm water. Maybe if you are there asking or thinking, how long can you sit with this? You can sit like 10 to 15 minutes and go and rinse it with a warm water, but make sure to wash it very well. And after washing it, even you can use tissue or cotton to clean it again, because of the turmeric. Maybe it can happen that you did not wash it very well. If you don't wash it very well, you can use the cotton or this thing to wipe it, or just make sure to wash your face very well. So now, my people, after that, the remaining one, I pour it inside here. I'm going to store it inside my refrigerator. This thing can relax me. I can use it for 3 days before I make new batch again. This I'm doing is 7 days challenge. So come with me if you will also join me to do 7 days challenge. Comment in the comments below. Yes, I will join you. Let's do 7 days challenge. Okay, do the comment, write your comments in the comments below. Let me see what you guys think. Or have you ever used this before? If you use it also, I want to know for your results after using it. What did you see? What was your experience? But before you apply, if you know that you have allergy with anything, please do not use it. If you have allergy with turmeric or honey or lemon, please do not use this thing. Or aloe vera, don't. If you have any allergy with all the ingredients, please don't use it. Okay, it's not good for you. It's for those who doesn't have any allergy from that. So my queens, let's check and see. Our last ingredients was lemon. Lemon also is helping to brighten the skin. It's having natural vitamin C, okay, and helping to even out of your skin tone. But remember, my queens, consistency is the wall. Consistency is the everything. Why I'm sitting waiting for my thing to dry, I even went and make my Turkish coffee. Please, if you visit Turkey and you haven't drink Turkish coffee, try to drink it. Or have you also drink Turkish coffee before? Let's talk. Let us talk. Okay, let us share ideas. Let's talk something in the comments below. I'm drinking my Turkish coffee every morning. I love it in the morning, especially after taking my breakfast. I love Turkish coffee. Anyway, guys, so lemon also, it's also helping to brighten, out of your skin tone and making your skin to look more brightened. Lemon is very, very good when you incorporate it to your routine. And as I said earlier, guys, if you have lemon, turmeric, honey, and aloe vera, that one I use for my 7 days challenge. That is 7 days challenge, my 7 days glowing challenge. So if you want to do this challenge, you can also use the same ingredients. And if you don't have all, even at least, but what you have, try to use it. That is my secret, my 7 days secret: turmeric, aloe vera mask. Those is just brighten your skin. It actually help healing your skin. Even not only brighten, it will heal your skin. Charlie, it will heal your skin. You will love it immediately. When you start using you are going to see a big difference of this ingredients. So now you guys can see those ingredients. I'm trying to share it with you people so that you can see it, whether you can screenshot it and look, or when I'm talking, you just write it down. Aloe vera, honey, turmeric, and lemon is that's the secret of my morning 7 days challenge. Okay, 7 days challenge. So guys, will you love to try it, or have you ever tried before? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, whatever that you said, I would love to be around waiting for you people. Okay guys, now our thing has dried. I went and washed my face and calm. Now it's time. I'm looking to see all the time. I will check my microphone before start talking, because sometimes you can start talking, you don't know that your microphone did not know. By the time you finish, oh my god, my friends, my queens, my face, I did not even use any moisturizer yet, but my face is so amazing. I have never seen someone love her face after doing treatment like me before. Please let me know, will you also love to try this? This is so amazing. I'm super happy. Like what I was just bumping my joy is something else. Yeah, it's just soft. The soft is just amazing thing. So my people, now this is my vitamin C oil. I always tell you people, please go and watch that video. Vitamin C oil with homemade vitamin C, homemade organic vitamin C, no chemicals inside, nothing, no fresh things. I just use dry pills, dry orange peel to make this oil. So go and make yours. My people, when I'm talking myself, I cannot stop touching myself. I can't stop touching my joys. Is my joys? Look, my people, look at how it's bouncing. Oh my god, look. It looks like a buffalo. Who knows buffalo? And in Ghana, we call buffalo, and I think Nigeria, they also say pop. It just looks like a pop. So, oh my god, it's so soft. Even pop is even hard, because the pop, the inside is soft, but the outside is a little bit dry. It's hard, but it just looks like the pop inside. How softness. My people, I don't know how I'm going to explain this thing to you people. Please try it and come back and thank me. Okay, this is very good. 7 days challenge. That's my 7 days secret challenge. Chale, oh, chale. Chale, oh my people, I'm super happy. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate you all for your support and everything. Please, if you watch it to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly check the ingredients and subscribe to my channel, okay? And tell me the next recipe. What did you want me to do next time? If you are going to do, even if you don't have aloe vera gel, these 3 ingredients can be okay for you, okay? Just use 3 ingredients: honey, turmeric, and lemon. If you don't have aloe vera, and it's going to work also like a magic for you. So, or if you want me to make the special video for that also, those 3, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to help you people. And tell me, I would love to know your skin type also. What type of skin did you have? You have a complex skin, or you have a dry skin, or oil skin, or whatever, or those skin, sleeping skin, rough skin, whatever that is your skin type, let me know in the comment section so that we can share ideas, the recipes, the natural recipe that we can use to glow and bright and get glassing instant skin. Yeah, so now I'm using my vitamin C to rub to make on my lip balm. It's very good. I know you guys will love this thing. Immediately when you started, definitely you are going to love it as the way I'm also love it. I love you guys, okay? I love you, yoko. Bye bye. Please come join our community, subscribe, and also if you know that you haven't subscribe and turn on the notification bell for the future video. And also do not forget to share it with your loved one for the future natural skincare. Oh my god, this is my morning secret 7 days challenge. Will you love to try the 7 days challenge? Let me know in the comment section. I love you all. Bye bye.